Hey, well, welcome everyone. This is Mr. Madrano. Um, and I'm here because I want to answer a specific question that I've been getting from several students, and that being, how do you navigate the Zoom lecture that talks about the essay number 2? So that being said, I decided just to create this quick little video here. I'm going to go into student view so so you can see, or I can see what you see, and we can decipher for ourselves whether or not the links work. So we're going to check the links. So there are two links that in which um, explains the essay number 2, and that being this MP4 video right here explaining essay 2 and Monday Zoom lecture. I think this is the one that is probably giving problems to several of you. So I'm going to go ahead and click here first. So I did this one, I believe, March 4th. And as you can see, it just goes right into, and you can hear me. But once you click on that link, it goes straight to the video. So that shouldn't be an issue, because I am in student view. So I'm going to go to the next link, and this is the link that I think is giving other students problems. And as you can see here, it says refuse to connect. That is problematic. But when you click on the title, and that's what you need to do, click on the title. And I believe it's also mentioned in the syllabus, if I'm not mistaken. But click on the title, and it should take you straight to this lecture that's on YouTube. And it does, and here I am. Okay. Now I think that the issue, I think the issue is, well, you're not used to seeing these videos via YouTube, and I'll tell you why I'm using the YouTube platform as opposed to the MP4 platform, the general Canvas platform. For whatever reason, Canvas is not reading my links, and so it's refusing to upload. So I'm forced to upload to Canvas or to YouTube, and then I share the link to Canvas. It's kind of an extra step that I don't like, but it is what it is. It's how I'm getting things done at this moment. So anyways, so that's the deal. If you still have any questions, please hit me up via email. I'll be more than happy to respond to your questions. Hopefully this video has helped. All right, you have a great rest of your day.